Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I decided to come back with a cooking channel since I haven't been on here in about a month and a half to 2 months. So tonight I'm cooking my family some fried chicken and loaded mashed potatoes with shrimp on top. And this is a cozy night in the house. We're just chilling, so I decided to cook and why not record because other people might want the recipe. So I'm frying my chicken and I love to use mustard on my chicken. I like mustard anyway. And my seasonings are going to be garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of blackening seasoning, lemon pepper, and Tonus Creole seasoning. You can't forget Tonus. If you don't put Tonus on your chicken, don't eat it. And I lightly season a little bit because the breader that I use is chicken entree seasoning. And it's a seasoned breading. So it literally comes out to be the best combo of seasoning ever that me and my family like. I like it seasoned though. So right here, y'all see me dropping my chicken in the deep fryer, and I always keep my deep fryer on 340 when I'm frying chicken. And I don't know how long I do it for. I just keep cooking. And right here, y'all seeing me getting the tails off of the shrimp. I just use Walmart bag peeled shrimp that's already deveined as well. Right here, I'm just cutting them into pieces to get ready to season in the bowl, and then I'm going to saute them on the stove while I show y'all how I do my mashed potatoes as well. Right here, y'all just see me seasoning with lemon pepper, blackening season, garlic powder, onion powder, and Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning. Pretty much the same seasonings I used for the chicken. I didn't have any Old Bay, so that's why y'all didn't see me put any Old Bay on there. Normally I have Old Bay and that's the seasoning that I use for my shrimp as well. Don't pay attention to my background, y'all. I have 3 boys. Right here, y'all about to get ready to see how the fried chicken come out. That's how I like my fried chicken to look pretty golden brown. And right here, I'm just showing y'all how I do my mashed potatoes. It says do 2 cups of water, but I do 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and I put butter in there, and I wait on that to come to a boil, so I cover it up. That's on my, in the other pan is going to be my shrimp, and I use extra virgin olive oil. I just put my shrimp in there, and my skillet was already hot. So I just cooked my shrimp for a couple of minutes, not too long, because I don't like rubber shrimp. And right there, y'all just see me put butter in the pot, and I'm putting butter in the shrimp just to slow down the cooking, and I turned it down a little bit too. I'm drinking a liquid marijuana right here. If y'all ain't never had it, y'all should try it. It got a couple of alcohols in it, though. It has a rum or tequila, Midori, blue curacao, and pineapple juice. So good. It be bussin'. It's a strong drink, though. So if you don't like strong drinks, then don't try it. Right here, y'all see me stir my mashed potatoes. I actually put the pack, take it off the stove, put the pack in there, and put the top on there and let it sit for a few minutes, and don't stir it with some more butter on top of it, and then I come back and stir it right before I'm finna put it on the plate. I don't know why I do it. I just feel like it makes it way better. And these are instant mashed potatoes. I didn't feel like doing boiling potatoes and doing the excess stuff. Not tonight. Now in this scene, y'all about to see me plate the food. I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to just let the music play. And I want y'all to feel the music while I just plate the food. And I had already fixed plates before this. So my kids were already eating. I had made like 6 plates out of this whole thing. So yeah. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and thank y'all for watching so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell everybody y'all know to just come to my channel and watch me. Thank y'all. Bye.